Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to gather professional information from public directories and organize it into a spreadsheet, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or just want to streamline your workflow, this guide is for you. And don't worry, everything here uses public data sources ethically. Let's dive in. Setting up the tools. Before we begin, let's set up everything we need. A web browser like Google Chrome. Scraping tools. Choose tools like Octoparse or Beautiful Soup and Selenium. For spreadsheet software, use Google Sheets or Excel to organize your data. Finding publicly available listings. On-screen demo of Google searches. Start by searching for publicly available directories. A quick Google search like Doctors in New York directory is a good start. Platforms like Healthgrades, ZocDoc, or Yelp often have valuable public information. Here's an example. Type Doctors in New York directory into Google. Click on a trusted result and explore the listings. Tip: always check the website's terms of use to stay compliant. This is the Google Map Scraper. A free automatically extract business names, addresses, photos, coordinates, websites, emails, social media, and more from Bing Maps.
Explain how this script fetches and structures the data.
Begin by searching for publicly available directories of professionals in New York. Trusted platforms like Healthgrades, ZocDoc, and Yelp are great starting points. Always ensure compliance with each website's terms of use before proceeding with data collection. Organizing and cleaning the data. Now let's clean and organize the data. Think of this step like tidying a messy desk. Import data. Load your data into Excel or Google Sheets. Clean up, remove duplicates and incomplete entries. Format, adjust columns for readability. Once you've identified a directory, automate data collection using a scraping tool or Python. Load the URL, define fields like name and phone number, and let the tool gather the data. Python users can install libraries like Requests and Beautiful Soup to parse websites. Segment 5, responsible use and final tips. That's it. You've successfully turned public directory data into a clean spreadsheet. A quick reminder, always use this data responsibly and ethically for research or outreach purposes. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what project you'd like to tackle next. Thanks for watching and happy data organizing. Outro music plays with a subscribe prompt on screen. With your data collected, it's time to clean and organize it. Import the data into Excel or Google Sheets, remove duplicates and incomplete entries, and format the columns for readability. This ensures a polished and functional spreadsheet. You've successfully organized publicly available doctor information into a clean spreadsheet. Remember to respect privacy laws and use this data responsibly for ethical purposes like research or professional outreach. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your next project ideas. Thank you for watching and happy data organizing. Always ensure ethical and legal data usage in your endeavors.